Hey guys, good morning. I'm up, at 7, and now I am again making my own breakfast because it's just fun too. So, yes, I hope you guys are having a great morning. Enjoy the lockdown. I just thought a good morning live chat would be nice because usually everyone goes live in the evening. But for you guys, there's a surprise at 4:30 on Moni's live. So yes, I guess I'll see you all on Moni's live at 4:30, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Customer Sunday. That's my fridge. With these fridge magnets. All the places that I've traveled, I get these fridge magnets and then I stick it on the fridge. I think we all do that whenever we travel. Okay, just gonna. My hair is in a mess. Just keep it here. And eyeshadow. Just making some regular bhurji. And I'm making breakfast for Ayan and Nia, which they don't know because they are sleeping. Okay. So, how are you guys in the morning? What's happening? Tell me what you guys are doing up so early. I'm used to it, but why you guys? सुबह सुबह उठ के आपको क्या मिल रहा है भाई? What will you cook today? Nothing. I'm just making some scrambled eggs. It's important to have a nice protein diet in the morning. वेज में भी वैसे बहुत प्रोटीन होता है. कभी कभी दाल का पराठा खा लेता हूँ, बट वो मैं नहीं बनाता. वो you know who makes that. And otherwise have muesli with some milk, very little milk. Actually I don't like milk so much. बचपन से दूध मुझे. Okay, let's see what all do you have? Arjun Bijlani, My Soul, Romea Shi. शांति में कितना अच्छा लगता है ना लाइव इन द मॉर्निंग when the world is sleeping and you're like getting up, making your breakfast. Let me wash my hands, I touch my hair. Okay. Can you hear the water? I'm coming back. Okay, here I am. One second. अविनाश, मेरे बाल है ना बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो रहे हैं. क्या तू मेरे लिए मेरी कैप ला सकता है भाई? थैंक यू. देख बाहर ही रखी होगी. Okay. So let's do some chatting before he gets my cap. Tell me. So I'll show you the view right now. Wait one second. Nice. This is from my kitchen though. Okay, here it is. So much easier. Forgot this question. One second. I think Ayan must have won it. So it's kind of still tight. Yes, here it is. Okay. Now I'm all set to talk to you guys. Actually, cooking तो बहाना था आपसे मिलने का. And okay. That was very close. So tell me, guys, Saurabh Singh, Shubha, so many people today. I'm so happy that सुबह लोग इतना जल्दी उठते हैं, and that's a good thing. Youngsters usually, like, should get up early, and so that we have our blood flowing, our day goes well. And the minute you get up late, what happens is all the positivity dies. That's what I feel. It may, for some people, maybe positivity starts at 2 in the afternoon, but for me it starts in the morning and with sunrise, and kind of by 10:30, 11 I've been sleeping nowadays. That's not the way usually I am, but I've kind of started liking it now, to be very honest. Usually I used to sleep pretty late, like 12:31, but now I'm kind of... So my Bhurji saman is ready. I'll just mix it nicely. Can I get a bowl, Avinash? Give me a bigger bowl. Okay, let's chat. My name Gana, and I love you so much. Hi Gana. Sunrise 1487. Hello. Abud Mirza. Ali from Indonesia. Hi Ali. Sonic Walia. Hello. Sajay Reddy. Hello. Should I show you my... Give you a nice view, like a nice feeling in the morning. How my kabutar is there? Oh, there it is. Now it's sitting on the other window. Lots of greenery. You can hear the birds chirping, so that's my morning music. And everything else is shut. The pool, the world, everything. What's really open is your soul. Okay. So what's it today? Should I put some tomatoes in my Bhurji or no? Quickly answer. Because I have it right here, but I'm deciding whether to, kind of put it in the Bhurji or no. So just asking, stupid question. But still, if you can answer that. Should I put a tomato in my Bhurji? In my scrambled eggs, should I add a tomato? No? Wahid says no. Singh Shubha says no. Okay, everybody says no. Somehow you don't like tomatoes, so I give it back. And I'll just keep this here. It's just easier. Can I have my eggs? They're right here. Okay. Oops. Can I have a separate bowl? So it's very easy. You just do this and one. So I put only one yolk, and so what you do is you kind of do this. So you only end up putting the sorry vegetarians, if anybody is veg, I'm really sorry. But a lot of vegetarians do eat eggs. Okay, done. I think we should just keep this. Okay. This whole egg I'm putting in. Okay, you guys are asking something. You're such a sweet husband. Thank you. ये सब में sweet, I am not that sweet, believe me. I'm just doing this because it's different, and it's a nice way to spend time now. But otherwise, when I'm shooting and all, I'm always in a hurry and I'm kind of getting everything in my hand. So don't give me unnecessarily credit. Yes, right now I am, but I don't do this every day. So जितना credit इसके लिए मिलना है, I don't mind that. Okay, whoa. But I've become quite a professional though, just in a few days. Okay, oops. Never mind. Here, and this is the last egg. I've seen the 5-star chefs doing this. So I'm just trying to do that. Here it is. Okay, done. Now I need to whisk it. So here it is. Okay, let's answer a few questions. You are my favorite actor. Squad Bemisia. Game with York. Game with York. Okay. And now I'm just gonna add all of this inside. So, okay. And this is, you know what this is? We call it dhania, coriander leaves. Chop it fine. And I'm just going to quickly add them inside. Actually, I thought I've chopped them fine, but they're not really finely chopped. So, yeah. Oops. Okay. Ah. Yes. Tell me. Wish you a very happy Nashra. Siddharth, thank you. VP Kavya, hello. Debo Shripal, hello. Avinash, can you hold this for me, please? Just easier to talk to them like this. Yes, my lovely people. So once I was all ready and I was making the food, so somebody messages me, यार इतना ready होने की ज़रूरत नहीं, you can just be in your like shorts and stuff. So today see I'm in my shorts and comfortable and making breakfast for my sleepy family. Now I'm just going to add some desi masalas like turmeric. Here we call it haldi. जो यहाँ के नहीं है, I'm just saying all this for them. So please. Oh yes, namak. So that's namak, and that's a little bit of turmeric. Should I add some red chili powder? Just for taste, I'm asking. Sometimes 6:15. Arjun, are you in touch with your left, right, left co-stars? Yes, on and off. Satyam, how do you spend your holiday? Pooja, okay. So, okay, should I add red chili powder, yes or no? Yes. Okay, somebody says yes. Little or lots? Everyone saying yes. Everyone likes it spicy, I guess. So I've added a little. And now I'm going to shove this because this is done. Okay, I'm going to mix it again. Ooh. यार कैप्सिकम थोड़ा मोटा कट गया कोई बात नहीं मशीन मिल ही नहीं रही थी मुझे निगाने रखी हुई ओके दिस इज नाइस ओके and now it's time to switch on the gas. Okay. That's on. Okay. That's butter. Just need everything to be clean. 1 sec. And here we are. Let me just clean this please. You know, they say, थोड़ा यहाँ पैन करना है यार. हाँ. They say that whenever your kitchen is dirty, don't try to clean it at once, like everything in one go. Whatever little, I mean, if it gets dirty a little, then you तभी के तभी साफ कर दो उसको, so that you know काम थोड़ा कम हो और you know when you enter the kitchen it should not look like messy and dirty and unhygienic and I hate it. So if I am in the kitchen then I do it this way. I'm sure everybody have their own ways of doing things. It's all done. Yes, now I need a butter knife. Wash it. Okay. Oof. Let the light come on my face. Don't you understand, Avina? Okay, Priyanka Jain 81193. Let me Mr. few names. So yes, Mohit Wadwani, what's up? Tanish Kature, Mayur Modha Wadia, Naimat Pathan. Hello everybody. Abrar, hi. You can cook, mashallah. Yes, I can cook, man. And बात करने के चक्कर में मेरा भुर्जी जल जाएगा ना, तो you guys are to blame, not me. Okay then. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Before it becomes an omelette, I quickly have to kind of not let it become omelette. So just okay. This is a non-stick pan actually, so it doesn't stick, so it doesn't matter. You can just like साला ये भुर्जी कम कैप्सिकम की सब्जी ज़्यादा लग रही है यार, इस वजह से थोड़ा. I think I put one whole capsicum in 6 eggs, that's too much. But it's healthy, so it doesn't really matter the look right now. This lockdown में some things just don't matter. What matters is how you spend this time wisely, nicely, happily and productively. And of course doing some things socially. Social service करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, तो थोड़ा इसको पकने देते हैं. तेरी गैस बंद हो गया क्या?
नहीं.
हाँ. Imagine I was trying to cook it और गैस बंद था. Okay, yes. Let's answer some questions. गैस थोड़ा बढ़ाओ. ओके, गैस बढ़ाऊं. ओके, बढ़ा दिया गैस. अभी क्या करूं? Hey, this is a nice session. You all can tell me what to cook and what to add, what not to add. But if you all cheat with me, then I'll end up making a very weird dish. Where's Ayan and Neha? They're fast asleep. Okay. Hussein, hi. Kafet, hi. Where's your wife? She's sleeping. Mona Lisa Silvera. Arjun, you're looking nice. Thank you. Where do you live? In India, Mumbai. I know it's a hot zone, man. Scary. But, you know, what's the worst part in the kitchen? Kind of sweat. When you've had a bath early morning, you freshened up and you come in the kitchen. No wonder people want to have a bath later once everything is done. But it's okay. You guys are going to kind of ruin my dish, I feel. Taking all my attention from the bhurji away to you guys. I'll show you the shakal dikhao unko. It's looking like that, huh? Why am I showing it like this? I'll show it like this. See? Breakfast with my lovely fans who are up in the morning like me. Life का मजा ही कुछ और है. You know the real people are there. You know people are connecting with you, and I really kind of appreciate you guys staying there, hanging in there so long. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I hope my fans won't forget me in the lockdown. Kind of. Guys, I'm sure you know Nagin is on air. Nagin 1 fans, whoever the Nagin 1 fans, it's on air right now. अरे फिर से बंद कर दिया मैंने. बंद करके चालू कर. हाँ, हो गया. थोड़ा कम करना है. ये फिर से बंद हो गया. फिर से चालू कर. चालू. सॉरी. Okay. Yeah, so Nagin 1 fans out there, people who've not seen Nagin 1 also, Nagin is coming on Colors now, the season 1 from 9 to 10, and Dance Diwane season 1 is also on air from 10 to 11. So guys, please do watch it. These are the shows. Dance Diwane is the first show where I started hosting like full-fledgedly, so that's the first season. Tell me how I fared. And Nagin 1 was a game changer for me, so please watch that as well, because it's made a huge difference in my life, and I'll always thank Colors, and especially Ekta Kapoor for that. She's made a lot of careers, and but this one was really special for me, and I must say that and I must say she's very sweet. And I bought my car, my new car, and I just happened to bump into her. I bumped into her in Balaji, and I said, Ekta, I bought my new car, and thanks to you, and would you come for a drive with me? And she obliged, and she actually came, and we went for a short spin, and then I dropped her to her car. Her car was actually following, so I dropped her to her car, and that's how nice she is. Just wanted to mention that, and I kind of just mentioned that ever to anybody. So yes. Okay, guys, I think I'll just show you that I'm gonna wake everyone up in my house. This is how it looks. Not bad. You see it? Yes, it's quite good actually. So I'm gonna eat this with my toast, and thank you for joining in. I love you guys. Maybe tomorrow we'll cook something else. Maybe, I'm not promising, but maybe. So wake up early, stay fresh, be positive, and stay happy. Stay home.